Okay, I've got a coon up there, and dogs are right outside getting all fired up. So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to work on a little gun shyness to keep them from being gun shy. So I'm going to pop a couple and then let them in. So hang tight. All right, come on, let's go. Let's go. Get in here. Come on. Come on, get it. Get it, come on. Good girl. Get it, Cutter. Get it, Cutter. Get it, Cutter. Get it, Cutter. Come on, Cutter. Get it. Come on, Mia. Come on, Mia. Come on, Mia. Come on, Mia. Come on, get it. Get it. Come on, let's get it. Come on. Good. Oh, good girl. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Get it, Mia. Get it, Mia. Get it, Mia. Come on, there you go. There you go. Get it, Mia. Get it, Mia. As you can see, it got a little better with that gunfire.